Me a Jamaican, so me not too care about a Russian. You understand?
Hey yo, you can talk. Alright then, let me talk to you for a second. Side man, had it done. Want to some man. Side man, see me ya. Me and the main man pocket no similar. Inna me bed, you girl wrap up na the pillar. Then me drive her out inna me bimina. Carry her out for the dinner. Then she tell me, say me a the winner. You want clash side man, you get killing ya. You must sip on drugs or you take couple pilling ya. Side man don't play. Snatch for your girl anytime she stray. I coulda night or day. Nah get her back, I coulda to God no pray.
Side man versus main man, part 4. You understand? Wanna tune in, subscribe and share and everything. Tell her what I know.